New just listed home, 874 Glades Court Northeast, St. Petersburg, Florida, by Ryan Chamberlain from the Military Veteran Team. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath home offers 1,386 square feet of charming space in St. Petersburg's gated Riviera Bay. This villa's open floor plan features a spacious living and dining area with new vinyl flooring, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. The functional kitchen provides ample storage and counter space for all your needs. The floor plan is thoughtfully designed. The primary suite is a private retreat with an oversized walk-in closet and an ensuite bath, while the second spacious bedroom is served by the second full bathroom. The exterior is the true highlight, inviting you to enjoy the large screened-in patio and private fenced backyard. Schedule your showing today.
Buy or sell with us and move for free in Pinellas County. Google Military Veteran Realtor Team and see why we're #1 on Google.